This is how we fix widen the garage. Wesley is Ziggy's brother. Louis is handling the saw. Rebar's still in. We had to cut it out 4 inches to get the crack in. It's a little worried about the lintel. The saw. We're just going to chisel it out now. We needed another 4 inches.
La máquina ya se la troca todo.
Okay, improvising on the carriton here. All right, this is masonry work. This is artistic. Look at this. Check this out. That's how it's done, folks.
Small. Okay. ¿Tú quieres más mitad? Oh. No, no. Small. Ah, se ve muy dulce, ¿no?
Yeah, put some fill in there.
Okay. Okay. More. No.
That's how it's done. You make it thick enough to stay. Whoops, something comes out. Make that mortar thick enough to stay on the tool. On the yep. And then you got enough on it, and you heave it in.
Dale tu small.
That's how it's done.
Poczekaj. No, it's not mine. Yeah, I think so. No, czeka, Luis, bo... No, jest okej, proszę. Jest okej. No, jest okej. Cement jest cement. Czeka, to wszystko je dam, to... No nie idzie,
That's how it's done.
Później do filmu.
A few more scraps. Fill.
Hold on, no. That's it. Okay, wait a little bit. Poczekam minutę to. Poczekam.
Very good work. And that's how it's done, folks.
Masz kamienia tego. Jest okej.
All right.
Tak, jest.
Looking good.
Czekaj.
That is looking good. Okay.
Jest okej, tu tam idzie deska. A no, że deska idzie, ale jest.